Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin ANOVA analysis using rstudio. So ANOVA, which stands for Analysis of Variance, is a statistical test used to analyze the difference between the mean of more than two groups. I am going to check. There is the problem statement for today's video that I have found in ANOVA using rstudio. Here are the example. So we want to check there is a significant difference among all these three metros, alright, whether there is no difference. So using 1 for Peshawar, 2 for Mardan, and 3 for Pabbi, and there are three cities, there are 30 outlets, metros. So metros, there is a categorical variables, and this data volume indeed, and this is non-metric data, and this data is metric data, and there are the 30 outlets. There are the hypothesis, the null hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis. Now let's come to RStudio to find the ANOVA. So first of all, I import my data from Excel. I have saved my file. His name is One-Way ANOVA. This is One-Way ANOVA. Click on open, and now click on import. I have to show you how we have to run One-Way ANOVA. So let me create one variable. I will put this file. So write in the console 1 equal to 1-ANOVA and click on enter. So in the global environment, you can see here the one variable is created here in global environment, 30 observations of 3 variable. Now once again, now we have going to start. There are, you can see how many metros and volumes in gallons. So I will create this variable also. So let me show before that I am going to start. I will show you summary. So in the console I will write summary, write 1 and press on enter. So here are the outlets. Minimum is 1.0, maximum is 30. Metro minimum is 1, maximum is 30. Volume in gallon, minimum is 4.00, median is 13.100, and mean is 12.262, and maximum is 21.00. So now we have to create two more variable also. First is I want to create one variable, and this variable is I am going to create this is metro. So write metros equal to 1, use $sign and write click on metros and press enter. So now the one variable is created here, that is metros. So this is the number, this is num, but the categorical we convert into vector. So I am creating this new variable, that is city equal to as dot vector right, it on metro and press enter. So in the city variable, then this number is converted into vector because the category. So I want to give name to this 1, 2, and 3. So there, what 1 stand for, 2 stand for, and 3 stand for. Now I am doing level also. So let me once again, I have take function, right, city equal to vector, then write city comma labels equal to C, use the bracket stop bracket, right, for a shower, then comma space, and a right, Mardant, sorry, comma, and then puppy, and double close bracket and press on enter. So you can see here, I am sure you can see how there is a 3 level that is already explained here. And now one more variable I want to create. There is volume equal to $1 volume included and press enter. So you can see here the volume is 1 to 30. Now what I have to do, first of all, we have to do box plot whether the data is normal distributed, because this is the metric data. Volume is a metric data that would not be applicable on city, because city is non-metric data, because 1, 2 and 3 data is here. Now I use box plot as per the city. We want to check normality. Use box plot, start the bracket, right, volume is and city and press enter. Sorry, there is spelling mistake. Now press enter. So the box, so in the plot section, the box plot has been reflecting. Here you can see there is a 3 box plot. One there is Peshawar, there is Madan, Pubbi, and this one is the areas outlets. So we will create through RA ANOVA also here this value. So let me give color also to this box plot. So in the console we use city, comma, and color equal to C, start the bracket, 4, 5, 6, then double bracket and press enter. So in box plot section, the color has been reflected here. So you can see here that there are 3 color, and there is its outlets. This and this are its outlets. Now we can, through a Shapiro test also, we can cross check whether the data is normally distributed or not. Now use the Shapiro test. Press enter and write volume and press enter. You can see here through Shapiro test, normality test, a p-value is 0.5797, and you can see the value should be greater than 0.05. Then we can say our data is normally distributed. So in my case, my data is normally distributed because p-value is greater than 0.05. So now we have to test. That is one more test, that is we will run this, that is Barclay test. So write Barclay test, right, volume, comma, city, comma, center equal to B, press enter. Now we will check this. Yes, through Bartley test, the homogeneity of variance is, you can see here p value is 0.1076. So you can see here the value should also be greater than 0.05. In my case, that is greater than 0.10. I am greater than 0.05, so the test is also okay. Now we come to the ANOVA. How we have to know ANOVA, how we apply ANOVA. So let me write here. I have to write A is equal to AOV dot the bracket, write volume, this and city, and press enter. Now the summary A and press enter. So all the results come here and the p-value is very less, but it is significant. That means that there is a difference in their mean. So we have to write to use the function tablet. We can check their mean and we can compare the mean tablet, then volume from space city mean and press enter. So mean Peshawar is 13.7, Nalpab Mardan is 7.725 and Pubbi is 15.265. So that means that this ANOVA test simply tell us yes, there is a difference among all the three mean, but my question is whether the data where there is what is the difference. I am with all the three have in between Peshawar, Mardan, so difference are Mardan. Pambi is also difference. Or in which two particular city there is the difference because it's showing here. It is not showing here. So what I have to do? I am to apply. You can type here Taki TUKEY HSD A. So it is repeated in Peshawar Mardan. P value is 0.00022 and there is no difference.
Well,
Now I am going with the mean value. So go to the mean. So Pubbi Peshawar more or less they are very near to each other, but Mardan and Pubbi a lot of difference in the mean, and Peshawar Mardan is a lot of difference. Now Pubbi Peshawar there is no difference. Pubbi Mardan, yes, of course there is a difference. There is p value is less than 0.05. Now after that through plot also we have to check right. So let me put Mardan to Peshawar value p. So I will use the value in the b variable, and t is equal to t Taki HSD A. Press enter. Let us see here this one. So b value is created in global environment. I would like to create plot like to check plot whether there is difference. Yes, plot start the bracket b. So in the plot section the plot has been affair here. So now give me the color also. Beat comma color equal to C start the bracket 2 comma 3 comma 4. So the color has been here. So for B to be sure there is no difference in the mean level. Difference in mean level. For B to sure there is no difference. There is in the extreme point, yes, there is a difference, and this is in here Pabbi to Mardan, this is also difference. I am showing this the value is helpful to you and you have to apply in your data. So thank you so much. Keep watching.